Hi, I'm Randy Skroback. I've almost got this open. It's a package I got from Chris Moss. He's one of my subscribers. And you should check out his channel. It's Cruising Chris M. And check out his videos and subscribe. So let's see what I got here. I got a letter that I will look at in a moment. I got a thing that looks like a manicure set, possibly. I got some coasters. About 4 of them, it looks like. And they are signed. And then I got a poker chip, which probably makes up for that $100 Skro bucks I sent him. I got a pen, Cruising Chris M. And let's look at the manicure set. Ah, very nice. I don't think I need it right at the moment, but within the next couple days. And then I got a letter that I am not going to read to you. So it's kind of a private note. But anyway, thank you for looking in as I open this package from Chris Moss. And like I said, please subscribe to his channel. And hey, be nice. Subscribe to my channel too if you haven't already. Thank you.